So today we will go and deal with this part. Regulation of glycolysis. So I had mentioned, given a start to two exams, like two enzymes. One was a double start. This is CFK. Second enzyme was one start hexokinase and one was pyruvate kinase. So three enzymes have been given: star, and star. Star means this is the most important enzyme. This converts fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is at a higher energy level than fructose 6-phosphate. That's it. And in this process, at ATP, so the hydrolysis of this ATP actually gives energy to push this fructose 6-phosphate to a higher energy state, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This is the philosophy behind this. One more thing which I must mention is substrate inhibition and energy state of the cell. If the energy state of the cell is high, then lysis is inhibited. If the energy state is high, then glycolysis is inhibited. This is the absolute truth. What do you mean by high energy state? High concentrations of ATP. High concentration of NADH. This means the cell doesn't need energy. Why wait these two ATP molecules and go for glycolysis? There is no need for glycolysis. You don't need to do glycolysis for that purpose. Now, opposite to this, if energy state is low, then glycolysis is stimulated. If it is low, glycolysis is stimulated. What do you mean by energy state low? ADP level is high because this ADP starts to accumulate. NAD plus, the one which forms NADH, that is very high. NAD plus is very high concentration. So, how does this inhibition take place? This takes place through a mechanism known as allosteric inhibition. লিখে নাও, তারপরে আমি এটা বাইক করছি। I will just touch upon a bit of thing about enzyme inhibition and inhibitors. I don't know who will teach. I have to check the syllabus distribution, but to understand this, we need to know a bit about enzyme inhibition, mechanism of enzyme inhibition. Now a bit about substrate inhibition, what it is. A is producing B. This is the forward reaction. So initially concentration of A is high. Right. Then gradually, as the reaction progresses, concentration of A starts to go down. Right, concentration of A starts to go down. Then, and concentration of B it starts to go up. Now this results in a situation as it goes on, Suddenly, during the when at end of reaction, I am not talking about chemical equilibrium or something. End of reaction, gradually you will see that concentration of A is the lowest and concentration of B is the highest. This is clear. Because A has been converted into B. We are not talking about a phenomenon known as chemical equilibrium. This I will talk during enzyme, when I teach enzyme. So this thing happens. When such a thing happens, concentration of B, normally in glycolysis what happens, or in any metabolic reaction, A is converted to B, B is converted to C, C is converted to D, D is converted to E. Like this the reaction progresses in any metabolic reaction, like glycolysis. Now suddenly concentration of D over here starts to accumulate. This reaction is somehow stopped. It keeps on inhibiting. So what it does is, this inhibits this reaction, result is this reaction, this starts to accumulate, this is negatively inhibited, then this will ultimately negatively inhibit this reaction. So result is, there is an inhibition in the forward reaction and a promotion or in the reverse reaction. Yes. So first we have seen that, so in Krebs cycle, or TCA cycle, citrate, what happens is pyruvate, it will form acetyl CoA, and you have another compound known as oxaloacetate. This is 3 carbon, a carbon dioxide will go out. This is 2 carbon, and oxaloacetate is 4 carbon. So this and this, both of them will fuse and form a 6 carbon citrate. This citrate then goes into another place known as isocitrate. Alpha ketoglutarate and succinyl CoA, malate, fumarate, it goes malic acid and oxalates. There is a cycle which goes. Now if this reaction is inhibited over here, because why? Because there is energy, no more is needed. Some enzyme has been stopped. And so what happens? Citrate concentration increases. This concentration of increases citrate concentration, it has got a negative regulation on PSK. It inhibits. So a high level of citrate indicates that the energy state of the cell is high, and therefore glycolysis has to be inhibited. and inhibition is at the level of PFK, phosphofructokinase. So we can now I'll wipe it up after that. Okay, Pragata? Now, among the CSK, another form of regulation is allosteric inhibition by ATP. Now, what is allosteric? In the normal enzyme inhibition, if this is an enzyme, this is the ligand, or substrate. This is the ligand or substrate. So what happens normally? It binds at a site known as the active site. And finally, when it comes out, maybe this comes out as a product. This is how enzyme works. Now, in this enzyme, say you give another compound similar in structure, but it will not form product. It will not form. So this is, I call them as an inhibitor. Specifically, you can call them as competitive inhibitors. Now what happens is this competitive inhibitor, it binds over here. It competes with the substrate for active site binding. Inhibitor, it comes with substrate. binding. So chance नहीं मिलता है, it doesn't get a chance. It doesn't get a chance to bind the substrate. And this inhibitor doesn't get converted to product. It just comes and binds there. So when result what will happen, the amount of product formed will keep on going down and down and down. This type of an inhibition is a direct competitive inhibition. Now let us now I will talk about what is allosteric. The enzyme has got another site. This is the substrate. It binds to the active site. Right? This site is known as allosteric site. Now, and this is say ATP. This is the allosteric inhibitor. This is the allosteric inhibitor. The allosteric inhibitor will come and bind over here. Will bind at allosteric site. Now after binding with allosteric site, it will change the conformation of the enzyme. Conformation of the active enzyme is changed. So this substrate will be unable to bind. Now let's consider this to be PFK, phosphofructokinase, and this is ATP. Something like this happens. If the ATP level is high, all the PFK which is present in the cell, this ATP will come and bind and change the configuration. As a result, no fructose 6-phosphate will not be, this is fructose 6-phosphate, say. So no fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. I missed the R over there in fructose. So this type of allosteric inhibition takes place. So this gives a signal to the enzyme that what? No more fructose, no more glycolysis. If that is stopped, all the steps will stop. And there will be an accumulation of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, and that will inhibit all the steps. And glycolysis will stop upstream. Now we will go to the one which I sent in WhatsApp. I will teach according to what I sent in WhatsApp. Okay, fine. WhatsApp में मिल गया. Now there is a compound known as one compound, you know, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. There is another special compound known as fructose 2,6-bisphosphate. Both of them are formed from fructose 6-phosphate. So when there is a high concentration of fructose 6-phosphate, what happens is a little bit of it gets converted into fructose bisphosphate. And the enzyme is, this is PFK1. The male PFK, better write PFK. And here is another phosphofructokinase. This is PFK2. This converts. The enzymes are different. ये दूसरा PFK है. The दोनों একটা PFK है. And the structure of this PFK is it's a bifunctional enzyme. One side of the enzyme is a genie होता है. Is a kinase and the other side is a phosphatase. Function of kinase is phosphorylation, phosphofructokinase, right? And the other is phosphatase. That is, it removes the phosphate. It's a one enzyme. PFK2 has got one enzyme with two regions. Now let us draw this structure. Glucose forms glucose 6-phosphate, so far clear. This forms fructose 6-phosphate I am drawing it like this. It forms fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Fructose this is the reaction which you people know. Now, and this is done by PFK1 or the main phosphofructoalkyl. You know that ATP has got a negative role. It inhibits the enzyme. Who else inhibits? Citrate. Citrate inhibits. Stimulation, this is later another compound known as cyclic AMP. This stimulates it. High levels of cyclic AMP means energy state of the cell is low. And what happens over here? ATP, ADP. Now, PFK2, the kinase part, what it does is it makes fructose 2,6-bisphosphate, right? And this stimulates PFK1. फ्रुक्टोज 2,6-फॉस्फेट जितना होगा उतना स्टिमुलेट होगा PFK1. So, high concentration of fructose 2,6-bisphosphate, it will stimulate PFK1. PFK1 stimulate means high concentration of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. This be clear? ये जितना ज्यादा, the more this will work, more this will be formed. This is one side. And now gradually the concentration of this starts to increase. When this starts to increase, there is a reverse reaction. This is done by this enzyme. There is phosphatase. Okay. The other side of the enzyme. This concentration of this starts to increase. What it does then is, I have to use their nomenclature. What is there? This will convert the fructose 2,6-bisphosphatase there is an enzyme known as fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase, the other way around, which convert F16BP into fructose 6-phosphate. Right, there is another enzyme. So, high concentration of this, what it will do, this will give a negative inhibition. ठीक है? So the reverse reaction, phosphate को निकालना, this removes the phosphate. राइट, उल्टा रिएक्शन, रिवर्स रिएक्शन उसको ब्लॉक कर देता है. এখানে অ্যাক্ট করছে, এখানে এটাকে কমিয়ে দিচ্ছে। Now gradually this starts to increase, concentration increases, and this will stimulate this. Okay, ये बढ़ गया stimulate. What will this do? Fructose 2,6-bisphosphate, it will be converted back to fructose 6-phosphate. Result, this level will go down, and whatever is happening, the other thing happens. That is, the reverse reaction will be inhibited. Jitna suddenly now you are having this is going to a further step. Now you don't need energy. Okay, this ATP amount. এখানে আমি দিয়েছি ATP amount দিয়েছি। So high amounts of ADP and high concentration of this should not accumulate. This gets converted to fructose 6-phosphate. Result, this falls down. This falls down means this also falls down. Activity of this falls down. PFK1 goes down. And there is this negative regulation which is there, this is removed. So this is converted back to fructose 6-phosphate. Then that is converted here, goes back to here. Clear? লিখে দিতে হবে, লিখে এটা অবশ্য হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে দিয়েছি আমি ছবিটা। High cyclic AMP indicates the energy state of the cell. Here, this reaction is negatively influenced cyclic AMP. Fine. Just the opposite. যা এখানে হবে তার উল্টো দিক দাও। ওইটা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, নিচের নোটসের এই পাতাটা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, গ্রিড ইটস অল देयर। This is the most important enzyme. Wait for it. Now we are going to the next two enzymes. What are basic those small? Hexokinase, there is substrate inhibition. It is glucose 6-phosphate. If there is high amount of glucose 6-phosphate, hexokinase is inhibited. And pyruvate kinase, high concentration of pyruvate. Inhibit high concentration of citrate. Right? This is inhibition. These two enzymes are inhibited in this manner. Okay, this ends the class today. Next day we will start with steps of Krebs cycle. Steps and regulation.